Hi, this is Glenda, and I wanted to show you how I'm packing an order of soaps that I'm putting in gift boxes. This is sunflower soap, and this box is actually a jewelry box. One time when I was selling jewelry and making it, I bought a whole bunch. So some of the soaps do fit in this one. And this is just a label, and on the back I mentioned some of the ingredients. And I believe I bought this ribbon because I think it's hard for it to get wrinkled. So when I ship it, I'm gonna put this inside another box, so hopefully it doesn't lose its look or its appearance too badly. Now this is a set of 2 soaps, and this box actually slides to the side. So there is that hermit soap, and then the peacock soap is the one that actually needs the more protection. So I put bubble wrap on that one. And they're sitting on a bed of just crinkle paper. Now the last box, it's a bigger one. It's actually a shipping box. If I ship it, then I don't put the ribbon outside, obviously. But I was using it for sets that I sold locally. And I can fit 4 to 5 soaps in this, depending on the size and if they're only in 1 layer. Later, I did change it so that I didn't put the crinkle paper on top. I only put it at the bottom. And then on top, I just put some bubble wrap that a friend had been recycling, so we're giving it another use. And it helps protect the soaps from the top so that they're not moving around in the box. Now if needed, I can also stack the soaps. Like I could fit as many as 8 or 10 depending on the size. But anyway, just wanted to show you this gift set packagings. Thanks for watching. Bye.